Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is circles. This is the second video on this particular topic. In the first video, we saw different theorems related to circles. If you have missed out that video, please go to the description box. A link is given and you can see that particular video. In this particular video, we focus on examination oriented problems or the extra punch problem. We call them as hot questions. So pay attention here students and be ready with pen and paper. In the first problem, we see that two tangents making an angle of 120 degree with each other are drawn to a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So AB and BC are two tangents meeting at a common point B and they are touching the circle at point A and C. We need to find the length of each tangent. So we need to find AB and we need to find BC. Length of AB and length of BC. We are given angle ABC equal to 120 degree. Angle ABC as 120 degree. Now we know that from an external point, if we draw two tangents and also a line to center of the circle, so OB will be dividing ABC into two equal angles. So angle ABO will be equal to angle CBO will be equal to 60 degree. Half of this angle will be 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. So now we need to find the length of the tangents. We know that if A is the point at which tangent is drawn, then if we draw a line towards the center of the circle O, then OA is perpendicular to AB. This we have seen earlier in an earlier video. Now we take this particular triangle OBA. So right angle at A. So we can find AB from here. Since radius of circle is given as 6. So OA is 6. Now we observe that in this particular triangle ABO, tan 60 is opposite side by adjacent side, OA by AB. What is OA is 6. AB is to be determined. And what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So we cross multiply here. So AB will be 6 by root 3. We multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. So denominator root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 6 by 3 will be 2 and numerator root 3 will be remaining. So AB is 2 root 3. So what will be BC? We know by theorem from an external point if we draw two tangents their length is equal. So AB is equal to BC. So AB equal to BC equal to 2 root 3. This is the final answer. In this particular problem, PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is given as a length of a chord 8 centimeter of circle of radius 5 centimeter. So OP is given as 5 centimeter. The tangent at point P and Q intersect at point T. T is the common point from which two tangents are drawn. So TP and TQ are two tangents. We need to find the length of TP. Let it be X. Let TR equal to Y. We know that if T is an external point where two tangents are drawn, if we draw a line towards the center of the circle, it will divide the chord PQ into two parts. So PR will be equal to RQ, also PTO will be equal to QTO, or PTR will be equal to QTR. That's what we have written here. Also PR equal to RQ equal to 4. Now in this triangle OPR, what is OR? OR will be 5 square minus 4 square root through Pythagoras theorem. So we'll see 25 minus 16, which is 9. 9 square root is 3. So OR will be 3. In triangle PRT, let us see where is triangle PRT. In this triangle, again we know that through Pythagoras theorem, x square will be equal to y square plus 4 square. We call it as equation 1. Now in triangle OPT, this bigger triangle, which is right angle at P, we know that TR is y and OR is 3. So y plus 3 the whole square is equal to x square plus y square. If we substitute x square equal to y square plus 4 square in equation 2 here, this left hand side will be y square plus 9 plus 6y. Y square will get cancelled and we'll get an equation in y. Solving in y, we get y equal to 16 by 3. Now substituting y equal to 16 by 3 in 1, we get x as 20 by 3. This is what is required. Length of tangent is 20 by 3 in centimeters. In this particular problem, we have two circles touching each other at point C. We have to prove that common tangent to the circle at C. So CR is the common tangent to both circles, bisects the common tangent at P and Q. There is another common tangent to the two circles P and Q. So this particular tangent will bisect that. It means what? It means PR equal to RQ. That need to be shown. If it is bisecting, means it is dividing this PQ into two equal parts. So R should be midpoint. So we need to show PR equal to RQ. That is our aim. Now we see here for this particular bigger triangle, bigger circle, R is an external point and PR and RC are two tangents given. So their lengths are equal as per the theorem. So PR equal to RC theorem. This we call equation 1. Similarly, if we see the smaller circle, RC is equal to RQ. Again by theorem, we call it as equation 2. If we observe 1 and 2, RC is common, we can say PR is equal to RQ. So if PR is equal to RQ means R is the midpoint of PQ. It means this tangent divides the other tangent or bisects the tangent into two equal parts. In this particular problem, we are given a circle and a tangent PT, which is touching the circle at point T. If PA is equal to 4 cm and AB is equal to 5 cm, we need to find the length of the tangent PT. Let us do few constructions here. We'll draw lines O to B, OB, which is the radius of circle. Similarly, we'll draw OT, which is again the radius of the circle, and OA, which is also equal to radius of the circle. Also draw OS. We know that if we draw OS towards the chord, it divides the chord into two equal parts. So if AB is 5 here given, AS will be equal to SB equal to 5 by 2 cm. So these are few data given. Now we want to get PT. In triangle OPT, this particular triangle, we apply the Pythagoras theorem. PT square is equal to OP square minus R square. This is first equation. Similarly, in this triangle OSA, what is OS square? OS square will be R square minus SA. SA is 5 by 2. Already we explained. So this will be R square minus 5 by 2 the whole square. This is equation 2. Similarly, in this triangle OSP, again we apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is OS square? OS square will be OP square minus PS square. What is PS is 4 plus 5 by 2 the whole square. So we write it like this. If we observe 2 and 3, we equate. OS square is common. So we will get OP square minus R square as 36. But OP square minus R square is TP square. So TP square is 36. So TP will be 6. So the length of the tangent is 6 centimeter. Let us take another problem. Here PQ is tangent at point C of a circle with center O. If AB is the diameter and angle CAB is equal to 30 degree, then we need to find angle PCA. This angle we need to find. Now we know that OA is equal to OC. We have drawn line OC now with red color. OA is equal to OC. This means they are the radius of the circle. So both are same. So it means OAC is an isosceles triangle with two sides being equal. This angle is 30 degree. So this angle also will be 30 degree because angles opposite to the equal side. So OC and OA are equal. So corresponding opposite angles are equal. So if this is 30 degree, this also will be 30 degree. So angle OCA is 30 degree. But we know that from the tangent point, if we draw a line towards the center of the circle, it is perpendicular to the tangent. So angle OCP is 90 degree. OCP is 90 degree and OCA is 30 degree, this angle. Then angle PCA will be 90 minus 30. So angle PCA is 60 degree. This is the final answer. In this particular problem, we have to prove that the line segment joining the point of contact of two parallel tangents. So XY and PQ are two parallel tangents and the point of contact is at point B and C. If we draw a line through P and C, it passes through center of the circle. That is to be proven. So we make a small construction here. We draw a line OA which is parallel to XY and PQ. So OA parallel to CP we have drawn. So since CP and BX is parallel, OA is also parallel to BX. Now angle XBO is 90 degree. By theorem we know that from the point of contact of tangents, if a line is drawn towards the center of the circle, it is perpendicular to that line. So this angle is 90 degree. Now angle XBO plus angle AOB is 90 degree. Angle on the same side of the transversal. BO is the transversal and XB and AO are parallel lines. The sum is 180 degree. So it means since this is 90, this also will be 90. Angle AOB is 90 degree now. Similarly, we can show from the other side that angle AOC is 90 degree. So if we observe angle COA plus angle AOB is 180 degree. It means BOC is a straight line and passing through point O. In this particular problem, if from an external point B of a circle with center O, two tangents BA and BC are drawn. BA and BC are drawn such that angle ABC is 120 degree. So this particular angle is 120 degree. We need to prove that 2AB is equal to OB or OB is 2AB. We have already seen that if from an external point two tangents are drawn, then if a line from that common point is drawn towards the center of the circle, then it divides that particular angle ABC into two equal angles. So angle ABO is equal to angle CBO equal to 60 degree. So this angle will be 60. This angle will be 60 degree. Also we know that OA is perpendicular to AB. Now in triangle OAB, if we see in triangle OAB, cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AB by OB. AB by OB is half. Cos 60 is half. So if we cross multiply here, 2AB is OB. That's what we wanted to prove. So with this we conclude this video. I request you friends to please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this particular video. This will motivate me to make more such good videos for you. Thank you very much friends.